Hey everybody, I'm Chica of FNAF Plush. And today, we are going to be reacting to Gabe's World FNAF Plush Nerf War. Let's start. Okay. Just some random stuff. Okay. A lot of snacks.
You're going down, man.
Ooh,
No,
I never Foxy.
You're going down.
I never Freddy.
Get him. No. Come on.
Why are they
You got this.
playing?
Come on. Come back here. No.
Oh, they're playing Minecraft.
Come on. You gotta get him. Come on.
Like
Come on.
Come
Come here. No. Oh, where did you go? Oh, there you are. No. Oh.
Did he lose? Oh, he did. That sucks for him.
You lost in Minecraft. Yeah. What the? Did you hear that?
Okay.
Oh, it's Nightmare Freddy teasing on Foxy. That's not very nice. I'm
Yeah,
gonna go speak to
it
him.
isn't.
You're lost in Minecraft. I'm glad I don't see your face.
For the holidays, PXC's Gen 5 driver is marked down to the can't say no price
Always
of $299.
I'm glad I don't see your face.
Why did he just... Oh, because Never Foxy said he doesn't want to see his
you
face.
suck at Minecraft. Hey! I do not suck at Minecraft. This is my first time playing, okay? I did really good. Okay, guys, what's going on here? He's bullying me that I can't play Minecraft.
What?
What now? No, he's bullying me. I heard your voice teasing him. So, is it you or not? Yeah. Fine, it was me. Okay. Next time, pick on someone your own size.
Just give me this down.
Ow! Oh! I gotta lay down. Oh, I think I got a new bruise.
Oh, you did? That must have...
Oh my! Are you okay? I am not okay, Marionette. Well, he's a wanna baby. Alright, can you clean this up? I gotta go sail on the sea to catch fish. Okay. 5 minutes later.
You're just gonna turn it
finally.
off
Got it
the thing
done.
for a minute.
Now, what should I do? I'm gonna go play video games. No, wait. Nah, I'm not. I'm gonna go play Pie Face.
Well, I'm gonna go play Jenga.
No, Marionette. You got it all wrong. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm having some trouble with the short-term memory loss. You don't even have one. Oh, yeah, I don't. But I do if I can remember right. You know it. You're just not smart enough. Hey! Ow. Let me do it again. Now, this is you and me. We go all the way up and hide behind the wall. And I'm your Foxy and Foxy are there. Then we charge. And they're going to run over there. And we're trying to shoot them. And they go back. We still chase them. But oh no, they got cornered. Chica and Bonnie are there to kill them. And we are
You're
behind
talking about
them.
me?
And we shoot them and they die. So you get it now? Oh yeah, I do. Now, where's Bonnie and Chica?
Yeah, where am I?
Bonnie, Chica! Yes, Nightmare Freddy?
Oh, hey, there's me.
So, let me do the plan for you again.
I think Gabe is doing that because he made it like 5 years ago. Yeah.
1 hour later. Finally! You got it right! There. Now let's go.
Wait, this is called Nerf
What's his
War,
problem?
so...
I don't know. Maybe he just got a bad grade. He doesn't go to school. Yeah, he does. Okay, guys. Here are mine in Marionette's blaster. What about ours? ours. Yeah, we can't do the plan if we don't have a blaster.
Yeah, you do.
New
I
plan,
just hope.
do
I just
everything
have it.
but Bonnie and Chica. You sneak up on them and jump on them, and then hold them down on the ground, and me and Marinette will kill them. Literally anything. Well, Bonnie, you get to tackle people. You love falling, right? Yeah. Wait. Yay, we finally do something! I can't believe we finally do something. Wait, what was it again? What was the plan?
I know the
Been
plan.
listening the whole time? No. I thought you said just watch us.
That's a lot of explosions. No, there's a bomb. Is Nightmare Freddy okay?
Faster go. Oh, yeah. Sorry, guys. Oh, next time hold your anger in, okay? No, thank you. Don't you dare ever say my name. Did you hear that?
Yeah, that was anger
No.
from inside out.
That's what I thought. Come on, let's go. Oh, Nightmare Freddy! Don't forget your nerf blaster. Thank you. Come on, guys. Okay. Now, Bonnie, on the way, I'll tell you the plan.
Yeah, I'll tell you the plan.
Okay.
Okay, there is Foxy and
I
another
got to
Foxy.
sneeze. Oh. Don't you dare. No. Chew. Good. Still there. All right, Marinette. When I say go, we're gonna tiptoe over there and hide behind that wall. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yo, did somebody say my? Yo, did somebody say my name? Oh, not you, Spring Colorway. Foxy. Oh, what were we watching? Oh, we're reacting to Gabe's World Nerf War.
What's that? What is
Don't
this?
know what it is, Foxy?
No.
Yeah,
What
I do.
the?
No, not you.
Huh.
Spring Colorway.
I swear it's all flash. Oh, whatever. I'll just stick it anyway. Dun 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 dun. No, my Nerf blaster. That isn't fair. Hey, number Foxy.
Anyway, bye.
I found this and I heard something. You know where it came from? I don't know, but if someone's trying to sneak up on us, let's use it for a Nerf war. What happened? I lost my Nerf blaster. What? Did you hear that? Yeah. Bring the Nerf blaster. Dun 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 dun.
I like that. I like the dun 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 dun.
Na, na, na. Here.
I like
What
that.
the? Okay, that wasn't there before. Someone's definitely here. Keep an eye up there. Yes, sir. Right, get up there. Go, 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 go. What the? They could be sneaking up on us. Hand me the blaster. Give me that. Now, where are those people?
Huh?
I got to sneeze again. Oh.
I have a Samsung. Actually, if you didn't know,
Huh?
I have a Samsung. That's why I record videos on.
Up there! It's Marinette and the puppet! They have a blaster! Fire!
Why ads? What? Maybe ads should get AIDS. Oh no! Wait, Foxy's coming free.
Where's the blaster? Oh no!
Puppet!
Ah, I got you cornered! Ah! You're going down! Oh no! Dun 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 dun! Oh, it's killing me!
Dun 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 dun. Did I miss anything? They were Freddy. Never Freddy. He's saving him. How could a boy block another Nerf gun?
Are you okay? No, I almost got shot for saving you to get shot, and I just laid it on my head on the piece of metal. Oh, no. Darn it. You know what it's time for? It's time to charge! No. Don't worry, I'll get your blaster back!
Wait,
No,
what?
Marinette, you're gonna get killed! Yeah! Aha! Uh-oh, yeah! Oh, I got the blaster! Aha! Foxy, are you okay? Get it. I will. But come when you need to. I got your blaster! I got your blaster! Ow! Owie! Ow! Aha! Who's dead now? Ow! Oh no! That's it! I'm finally gonna shoot someone! Yeah!
Double barrel. Bonnie!
Bonnie got shot! Now we're never gonna finish the plan!
Plan!
Oh, I hope Chica's still here. Chica! Chica!
What nightmare, Freddy? Chica! Why'd they murder me?
Who can't see their Chica ever again? Can't believe you, Foxy. You killed Chica. Yeah, and I heard that Bonnie died as well. No, you were there, but I was knocked out. No, you were not. You were paying attention the whole time. If you were knocked out, then how do you know that Bonnie died? Seriously, Nightmare Freddy, I did. I know that Bonnie died. And I have a surprise also. What is it? Here you go, sir. Ugh. Marinette! Yes, Marinette is right. He is dead. And there's nothing you
Shout
can
out
do
to
about
Gabe's
it.
World. He's
Well,
awesome.
I can do something about it. Whoa, stand back, Foxy. We don't want to get shot. Where's the blaster? I forgot it. You deserve this. Ugh. Thank you, Foxy. Please, no. Are you sure you want to die? No. Okay, you said yes. Wait, what? No!
Oh my god!
No! This can't be happening. No. Put the gun down. Why though? Because I'm gonna shoot you. What the? Come on, come on, come on!
Why not
Batteries
working?
are dead.
Oh,
This is a
because
real
he
gun,
didn't
so,
reload it.
no. It doesn't need batteries. It's a Nerf gun, so it does need batteries to shoot.
No, it doesn't. It
yeah.
has a mechanism. It does not need batteries.
Let's use it with fist. All right, here we go. Ah! Hey, shut up, Cakey. I did not get a spanking when I was little. Who are you talking to, Cakey? Yes, I got you where I want you. That's enough. That's it, Nightmare Freddy. I have had enough of fighting. And now it's time to set off my backup plan.
A
What
Nerf
is your
bullet?
backup plan? Yes, a bomb.
That's not a bomb.
That's
It's a
gonna
Nerf
kill
bullet.
you, our family, and if I can escape quickly, I will be the only one left. I'm giving you a choice, Nightmare Freddy. If you let me win, I won't set the bomb.
I'm protecting myself with this mask.
If you try to keep
Never
fighting,
mind.
I'll set it off. It's your choice, Nightmare Freddy. Lose or die. You got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I decide. Set off the bomb. Beep, beep, beep. Now I just gotta run out. The door's locked. Help us! I will so destroy you, Nightmare Foxy. Oh, would you look at that? My dream came true. Beep, beep. Oh, someone help me! That's it. We're stuck here forever. Beep, beep, beep. Uh-oh. How do I deactivate it? I do need to deactivate it. 1. Bomb activated. Crap. Bye, bud.
Be continued, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Just like this video. Shout out to Gabe's World. Bye.